Nissan Sentra NISMO repairs in my area. Nissan Motor Company is a Japanese multinational automobile manufacturer headquartered in Nishi-ku, Yokohama, Japan. The company sells its vehicles under the Nissan, Infiniti, and Datsun brands, with in-house performance tuning products labeled NISMO. The 2019 Nissan Sentra NISMO is a sportier and performance-oriented version of the standard Nissan Sentra compact sedan. Here are some key features and specifications of the 2019 Nissan Sentra NISMO. Servicing your Nissan Sentra NISMO is crucial to maintaining its performance, reliability, and longevity. Here are some key points to consider. Authorized service centers. It's best to have your Nissan Sentra NISMO serviced at authorized Nissan service centers or reputable mechanics with experience in servicing performance vehicles. They have the expertise, specialized tools, and access to genuine Nissan NISMO parts needed to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Regular maintenance. Follow the maintenance schedule outlined in your owner's manual. This typically includes routine services like oil changes, filter replacements, tire rotations, and inspections of key components such as brakes, suspension, and fluid levels. Adhering to the maintenance schedule ensures optimal performance and prevents potential issues from developing. Specialized care. The Nissan Sentra NISMO is a performance-oriented vehicle with unique features and components. Ensure that your service provider understands the specific needs of your vehicle and can address any issues or concerns that arise. Regular inspections and diagnostic tests can help identify potential problems before they escalate. Performance upkeep. The Sentra NISMO features performance enhancements such as a tuned suspension, sport-tuned exhaust, and upgraded brakes. Make sure these components are properly maintained to ensure optimal performance and handling. Regular inspections of the engine, transmission, and drivetrain can also help maintain performance levels. Electronics and software updates. The Sentra NISMO is equipped with advanced electronics and software systems. Make sure these systems are regularly checked and updated to ensure proper functionality and compatibility with new devices and software. Software updates can also improve performance and address any glitches or bugs. Tire care. Proper tire maintenance is crucial for safety and performance, especially in a performance vehicle like the Sentra NISMO. Rotate your tires regularly, check tire pressure frequently, and inspect for signs of wear or damage. Replace tires as needed to ensure optimal traction, handling, and performance. Enjoy the ride. While maintenance is important, don't forget to enjoy the exhilarating driving experience that the Nissan Sentra NISMO offers. Take advantage of its sporty handling, responsive acceleration, and performance-oriented features on your daily drives and weekend adventures. By staying proactive with maintenance and addressing any issues promptly, you can ensure that your Nissan Sentra NISMO continues to provide a thrilling driving experience for many years to come.